Hi everyone! How to connect a printer to a computer wirelessly. Firstly, you need to get the HP Smart app. You can easily download it from the official HP website or conveniently through the Microsoft Store or Apple Store. Downloading. Open the HP Smart app on your computer. Accept all. Choose Set up a new printer. The searching process will start. Great, our printer appeared. Now wait for the printer driver to install. Done. You can now see your printer is ready for use. The printer will print a self-test page. Thank you for watching. You'll find more tips for your printer in the playlist. If you enjoyed this video, hit subscribe so our channel pops up first when you search for solutions.